Madami po akong clients na ayaw ng may kasabay na iba sa Zoom. So, one-on-one po yun. Yung iba naman gusto face-to-face. Yung iba naman ayaw ng face-to-face. Yung iba naman gusto call lang. Gusto video call. So, iba naman Zoom. So, iba-iba po yan. So, ibigay natin kung ano ang gusto ng kliyente natin. Do not treat them equally. Okay? Alright, Delivers, ganito. Pag-usapan natin, give your clients equal opportunity, but don't treat them equally. Okay, no? Doc, paano yan? Yan, pag-usapan natin. Let's go, let's go. Okay, so sa isa ko pong vlog, sabi ko, do not judge your client. So, since you do not have the right to judge your client, dapat binibigyan mo sila ng equal opportunity. Equal opportunity to present your products or your services. Equal opportunity for follow-up. Equal opportunity na sendan ng proposal. Okay? Lahat ng clients mo dapat merong equal opportunity. But don't treat them equally because we have individual differences. Okay? So, ganito. Paano ba yan? Pag-usapan natin, ha? Imagine nasa isa kang classroom. Okay? And you are a teacher. You are teaching 50 students. Alam nyo ba, what is the best way, okay, to win your students? Alam nyo, ito by the way, if you are a teacher, your first priority is to win your students, okay? Natutunan ko yan. For 22 years akong nagtuturo, okay? Dapat ma-win mo ang estudyante mo. And to win them, kailangan, kung meron kang 50 students, kailangan meron kang 50 personality. Dapat meron kang 50 strategies, 50 approaches, how to win your students, how to teach your students. Hindi po pwede na pare-pareho lang ang treatment mo. You cannot win inside the classroom kasi meron tayong tinatawag na individual differences. And that applies also in sales. Kung meron kang 50 clients in a week, dapat meron kang 50 different approaches. Alam nyo, na-experience ko po yan dahil matagal na rin tayo sa sales. Okay? Everyday po, sa personal life ko pa lang, umabot tayo ng 30, ng 40. Iba pa po yung nasa ibang social media platforms ko. Okay? So, sa tagal ko na rin po dito sa industry, sa sales industry, natutunan ko rin na not to treat our clients equally. Okay? So, ito po ganito. So, ano ba yung mga approach, Doc? Pero bago yan, magkape muna tayo. Happy po tayo. And of course, we are inviting you to attend our free webinar on how to save and invest the right way and paano magkaroon ng Kaiser. Ang Kaiser 3-in-1 po yan. May healthcare, life protection, and investment. PM na sa personal FB ni Doc. And if you need coach sa iyong business, pwede po tayong online or face-to-face. PM lang sa personal FB ko. And if you need a speaker sa mga seminars mo, pwede rin po si Rockstar. Alright? Okay, so, unahin natin, no? So, ano po ba yung mga natutunan ko sa sales, okay? Why you don't need to treat your clients equally. So, first, not all clients are comfortable to attend Zoom with many people. Ang iba gusto one-on-one sa Zoom or one-on-one presentation online or face-to-face, okay? Madami po akong clients na ayaw ng may kasabay na iba sa Zoom. So, one-on-one po yun. Yung iba naman gusto face-to-face. Yung iba naman ayaw ng face-to-face. Yung iba naman gusto call lang. Gusto video call. So, iba naman Zoom. So, iba-iba po yan. So, ibigay natin kung ano ang gusto ng kliyente natin. Do not treat them equally. Okay? So, second, not all clients want other person na ma-meet sila o, makita yung profile nila or makilala sila. That's why creating GC is not advisable to everyone. So, ako po, normally, gumagawa talaga ako ng GC. Pero may iba akong clients na ayaw nila, Doc, wag kang gumawa ng GC. Dapat ikaw lang makakilala sa akin. Okay? So, I don't treat them equally. Alright? And third, not all clients want to be exposed sa social media. So, hindi lahat gusto nila. Kaya nga, hindi pwede yung nagpipresent ka, tapos naka-live ka sa Facebook mo, naka-Zoom ka, di ba? Tapos magla-live ka. Iba ayaw nila eh. That's the reason also bakit hindi lahat ng nagpapa-quote sa akin, pinopost ko sa FB ko. So, nagtatanong muna ako ng permission. I'll ask them, pwede ko po ba kayong i-post? Not all gusto. Marami po akong kinodes na ayaw magpa-post sa FB. Ayaw nila. So, lalo yung mga nasa high-end, ayaw nilang magpa-kita social media. Ginagalang natin yon, okay? Alright? So, ikaw din, wag mong pwersahin bago ka mag-post sa FB, tanungin mo muna yung kliyente mo, okay lang po ba na mag-post ako sa FB, okay? Number 4, not all clients are technically savvy. So, hindi po lahat po ay nakakaintindi sa computer, nakakaintindi technically. So, kailangan ina-assist natin. Kaya may mga clients na talagang pagtitsagaan natin, okay? Alright? Lalo sa amin, sa IMG Rockstar community. So, most of my clients po, 60% ng member namin, hindi talaga sila marunong sa computer. Kaya talaga ina-assist namin, okay? And number 5, not all clients can afford your products in cash, okay? Kaya kaya mong accommodate lahat, kaya mag-cash, kaya kung ano man yung form of payments nila, how they pay, okay? And not all clients can decide alone. Okay? Kaya may mga meetings na hindi lang isa, kailangan dalawa pa with the wife, with the husband, with the family, with the parents, ganon. Tiyagain natin because not all clients are equal, alright? And not all clients trust you fully, okay? Kaya kailangan, ano po yan, may stages po ng getting to know each other, ilang meetings muna bago mag-yes, tiyagain natin, okay? In conclusion, give your clients equal opportunity, but don't treat them equally. Okay, let's go, let's go. Copy po tayo. Copy po. Thank you for watching. We are inviting you to attend our free webinar sa IMG Rockstar Community para makapag-invest ka na sa mutual fund at magkaroon ka na ng Kaiser. PM na sa personal FB ni Doc. Let's go, let's go!